For Packworks, growth plans, anong plano for this year and in the medium term, and what's the ultimate goal? Big ambitions for
Okay.
Packworks.
So, ang target talaga namin is ma-increase pa sana from 270,000 stores, makaabot kami ng 500,000. Kasi ang goal talaga namin, mas liblib, mas mapuntahan. Kasi yun yung mga tindahan na hindi napupuntahan ng distributor, right? And lalong-lalo na nagtataas yung presyo ng gasolina. So can you imagine kung ang isang tindahan sa probinsya 20 kilometers away ang pinakamalapit na grocery, right? 20, buti pa kung 20, pero pag 30 or 40, parang isang buong araw kailangan kang magsara para mamili, 'di ba? So again, kung ang goal namin is talagang mapadali at makatulong sa pagnenegosyo, ang goal namin is not only to get increase store count, but also paano namin matulungan si tatay at si nanay na maiangat yung benta niya, right? At mapadali ang buhay niya kahit papano through the system. No? So again, access to cheaper goods. Next, access to cheaper capital. Yan yung goal namin.
Well,
now, but so sinabi mo na rin yung big dream, no? So, well, siyempre sino ba naman ayong mag-international? So that's one of the goals that we want, no, is
So
to
how? I mean, wala naman. Iba din yung sa ibang bansa. Hindi sana sa story.
Pero alam mo, I would probably question that it's also a perspective, no? I think sa mundo ng mga 7-8 billion people, 80% still live in emerging market economies, no? So ang problema ng sari-sari store is the same. So it's a human difficulty, right? But that's also the reality, no? So if your goal is really to help the smallest of stores really survive, and not only survive but really thrive, right? I think that we have the opportunity to do so. In fact, meron kami exploratory with a few countries that wanted to try our system, pero kami yung nagsasabi na wag muna. Gusto namin makatutok muna sa Pilipinas. Gusto namin focus muna kami, make sure namin na happy lahat ng mga sari-sari store na gumagamit ng app.